So, welcome to the new unboxing video. We have a new drone here. It's JJRC foldable blue crab. And I wanted to make a quick review on this. So, I bought it for like 22 euros on flash sale, I think. The box wasn't damaged at all. It came like in 3 weeks or something. And I thought the box is gonna be a little bigger. But who cares actually? So okay, a few more warnings on this side. On this side it says 1 key foldable in half, pincer-shaped guards, Wi-Fi FPV, 720p camera. Okay, so I think it's all about. That's all about the box. So let's move to what's inside. So, okay, it came with instructions, extra fingers, and the drone itself. This is what was inside. Okay, so let's start from instructions. These are for other JJRC drones, and this is for this one actually. It says everything about the drone, okay, how to install the app, QR codes, or the app. Okay, I don't really think it's interesting for you guys to see everything here. So let's move to the drone. Actually, it kinda looks good. I like the design for this. It folds in half like this. You press this button here, press down, okay, it folds, okay, press it again, it unfolds like that. It's not that small actually. I don't know. I can compare it with mouse. It's this big. It's not that small. So okay. Okay, the battery actually. It came with battery inside, and actually I use this thingy to take the battery off. This thingy helps. It's for the props actually. You take off the prop, but I use it to take the battery off. You just, and it's off. It's sometimes it's hard to take the battery off, so yeah. The battery is here. Yeah. You go back, charge the battery, place it back in. Make sure you place the wires correctly. Because you could damage them when you close this thing if you place it wrongly. Okay, so I think that's about it about the drone. And yeah, it has this small camera, 720p. Okay, and moving to the last things, it's extra things. It came with charger, extra battery, and 4 props. As you can see here, yeah, extra battery, it's USB, this thing is here, and for the props removal. Okay. So I think it's about it. We should move to how it flies, yeah? So I don't have enough of a camera to film it, together, so I'm just gonna place footage somewhere in the corner or everywhere and talk over it. So okay, everything connects normally and stuff because I read manuals and I just got the app turned on the drone, connected to its Wi-Fi, and then I connected the drone through the app. The functions work not bad, although the flips work only to right and left. It flies really good inside and outside. Camera quality isn't that bad for 720p too, but you need to learn how to use it. It controls very well, so it's very good for beginners, and it actually holds the altitude, dropping or rising sometimes, but it doesn't really matter. And there is one really cool function. I really love it. It's like, but I'm not gonna show it to you here because I want you to test it out. So yeah, actually it has 3 speed modes, 30%, 60% and 100% I think. The camera, yeah, the camera quality, as you can see, is 720p, so, and you cannot say anything bad about it. It doesn't really cost that much, and so yeah, if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to get this drone, please support me and get it from the link in the description. It will help me create more content like this and make more awesome videos for you. So see you next time.